We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? But it's not just about getting something in your belly. It's about fueling your body with the good stuff. And protein, my friends, is one of those essential nutrients that keeps you going strong. Protein is the building block of life, essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Whether you're a gym junkie, a busy bee, or simply want to feel your best, a protein-rich diet is the way to go. But who has time for complicated recipes and hours in the kitchen? Not us. That's why I'm excited to share 3 quick, easy, and oh-so-delicious high-protein meal ideas that you can whip up in just 10 minutes flat. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and power up your day with these protein-packed delights. Let's start our culinary journey with a breakfast classic that's as versatile as it is delicious, the humble egg scramble. Whether you're in a rush or have time to savor every bite, this dish is perfect for any morning. Packed with protein and bursting with flavor, this speedy scramble will set you up for a day of awesomeness. It's quick to make and can be customized with your favorite ingredients. Ingredients: 2 eggs, or half a cup silken tofu for a vegan option, 1 handful of fresh spinach, which adds a boost of vitamins and minerals, 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes halved for a burst of sweetness and color, 1/4 cup cooked black beans, which are rich in protein and fiber, half an avocado sliced for a creamy texture and healthy fats. Instructions: heat a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. This ensures your scramble doesn't stick and adds a nice flavor. Crack in the eggs or crumble the tofu and scramble until cooked through. Make sure to stir continuously for a fluffy texture. Add the spinach, cherry tomatoes, and black beans to the pan and cook for another minute or until heated through. This step ensures all the flavors meld together beautifully. Slide the scramble onto a plate and top with sliced avocado. The avocado adds a rich, creamy finish to your dish. Quick tip: black beans are a fantastic source of both protein and fiber, keeping you feeling full and energized for longer. They are also incredibly versatile and can be used in various dishes. Plus, they add a lovely creamy texture to your scramble, making each bite more satisfying. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious breakfast. Who says salads have to be boring? Not us. This protein-packed salad is anything but boring. Combining juicy grilled chicken, fluffy quinoa, and fresh veggies, it's a flavor explosion that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. It's perfect for a light lunch or a hearty dinner. Ingredients: 1 grilled chicken breast, sliced, half a cup cooked quinoa, half a cucumber diced, 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, vinaigrette dressing. Instructions: while the chicken is grilling, prepare the salad base. This will save you time and ensure everything is ready to go. Combine cooked quinoa, diced cucumber, and halved cherry tomatoes in a bowl. Mix them well to ensure an even distribution of flavors. Once the chicken is cooked through, slice it and add it to the salad bowl. Make sure the chicken is evenly distributed. Drizzle with your favorite vinaigrette dressing and toss to combine. The dressing will bring all the ingredients together. Sprinkle crumbled feta cheese on top for a tangy finish. The feta adds a creamy texture and a burst of flavor. Quick tip: this salad is perfect for meal prepping. You can make a big batch and enjoy it throughout the week. Grill extra chicken breasts at the beginning of the week and store them in the fridge for quick and easy lunches. This way, you can have a healthy meal ready in minutes. Looking for a hearty and flavorful dinner that's ready in a flash? This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something quick yet nutritious. Look no further than this vibrant lentil and veggie stir-fry. It's not only quick to make, but also packed with nutrients. Bursting with colors, textures, and plant-based protein, it's a satisfying and nutritious meal that's sure to please everyone at the table. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked lentils, which are rich in protein and fiber, 1 cup mixed vegetables, such as bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, to add a variety of flavors and nutrients, 1 tablespoon soy sauce for that umami kick, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds for a nutty crunch. Instructions: heat a tablespoon of oil in a wok or large frying pan over high heat. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the vegetables to ensure they cook quickly and evenly. Add the mixed vegetables and stir fry for a few minutes until they start to soften. Stirring constantly helps to cook them evenly and retain their vibrant colors. Add the cooked lentils to the pan and stir fry for another minute. This allows the lentils to absorb the flavors of the vegetables and the oil. Pour in the soy sauce and stir fry until everything is heated through. The soy sauce adds a savory depth to the dish, making it even more delicious. Serve immediately, sprinkled with sesame seeds for extra flavor and crunch. This dish is best enjoyed fresh and hot. Quick tip: lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them a great addition to any vegetarian or vegan diet. They are also low in fat and high in essential nutrients like iron and folate, making them a powerhouse ingredient for any meal. Section 5. Protein variety is key. We've explored 3 fantastic high-protein meals, each featuring a different star ingredient: eggs, chicken, and lentils. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Don't be afraid to experiment with different protein sources to keep your meals exciting and your body fueled with a range of essential nutrients. From lean meats like turkey and fish to plant-based powerhouses like beans, tofu, and tempeh, the possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen and explore new flavors and textures. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you for it. Section 6. Flavor Burst. Spice up your meals. Let's talk flavor. While protein is essential, it doesn't have to be bland. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs, spices, and sauces to transform your meals from basic to brilliant. Add a dash of paprika to your scrambled eggs for a smoky kick. Marinate your chicken in a blend of lemon juice, garlic, and herbs for a burst of Mediterranean flavor. Spice up your lentil stir-fry with a pinch of chili flakes or a dollop of spicy sriracha. The key is to have fun and get creative. Let your taste buds be your guide, and don't be afraid to experiment. Section 7. Time-saving tips for busy bees. We get it, life is busy, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice healthy eating. Here are a few time-saving tips to help you whip up delicious high-protein meals even on the busiest of days. Cook once, eat twice. Double your recipes and enjoy leftovers for lunch or dinner the next day. Embrace pre-cut veggies. Save time and effort by using pre-cut vegetables in your stir-fries and salads. Keep your pantry stocked. Stock up on staples like canned beans, lentils, and quinoa for quick and easy meal solutions. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy nutritious and delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Section 8. Protein on a budget. Easy on the wallet. Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. Protein-rich foods can be surprisingly affordable, especially if you know where to look. Beans and lentils are your budget-friendly heroes. Packed with protein and fiber, these pantry staples are incredibly versatile and easy on the wallet. Embrace eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse and one of the most affordable sources of protein available. Opt for less expensive cuts of meat. Chicken thighs and ground beef are often more budget-friendly than chicken breasts or steak. With a little creativity and smart shopping, you can enjoy protein-packed meals without overspending. Section 9. Leftovers reinvented. Creative meal prep ideas. Don't let those leftovers go to waste. Get creative and transform them into delicious new meals. Leftover grilled chicken can be added to salads, wraps, or sandwiches. Leftover quinoa makes a great base for breakfast bowls or veggie burgers. And leftover lentil stir-fry can be enjoyed cold as a salad or reheated for a quick and easy lunch. Embrace the art of repurposing, and you'll not only reduce food waste, but also save time and money. Section 10. Join the protein-packed party. So there you have it, folks. 3 quick, easy, and delicious high-protein meal ideas that you can whip up in just 10 minutes. From a speedy scramble to a flavorful stir-fry, there's something for everyone. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite high-protein meals to make when you're short on time? Share your recipes and tips in the comments below. Section 11. Hungry for more? If you enjoyed these recipes and want to see more quick and easy meal ideas, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more culinary inspiration. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Section 12, Bon Appetit. Thanks for joining me on this protein-packed adventure. I hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and fuel your body with the good stuff. Happy cooking!